Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a 911 rule in the 3CX admin console. To start, log in to 3CX. Select this icon to navigate to the admin console. Click on the System tab, then select Emergency. Press this button to add an emergency number. Type in the emergency number's name. Enter 911 in the number field. Add specific extensions on this emergency number. Select departments you want to add on this emergency number. Select the Voxtelesys SIP trunk as your route and type in the caller ID you received from Voxtelesys. Save your configuration when you're done. Verify the rule you created. To add notifications, press this button. Select the notification type. For example, you could enable notifications to be sent to an email address. Press OK when you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a 911 rule in 3CX. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.